Oh,
Wally
you
today
Imran Khan,
looking
you
very
Imran Khan
beautiful.
support. You Imran
Yes,
Khan
yes,
support.
of course. Of
Wallah.
course.
Qasam,
course.
I like Imran Khan, wallah. I'm real,
Thank
wallah,
you.
Imran Khan, I like. Qasam billah.
Beautiful. See, the people who are classy and good people, they would love him. No one would not love him.
Wallah.
Wallah. Okay.
دوستان
Wally,
والی زه ته
today you
خبره
looking
وکړم
خوبصورت.
1 minute
Oh,
د پښتنو د پاره د تور تنبو شاته ځان اچولې چې اوس هم څو خلافي په خاندان کې پورته ښکته ولکم وادي اورېدم د دې پښتنو د پاره وادي د تور تنبو شاته شو د دې پښتنو د روغې لپاره د دې پښتنو د یووالي لپاره د دې پښتنو د پرمختګ لپاره وادي د تور تنبو شاته لاړ نو چې څوک سپورټ کوي نن هم زنده‌باد سبا هم زنده‌باد والله دې خوشاله آباد لري د ښه سړي نن هم ملاتړ کو سبا هم ملاتړ کو او رښتینولي ولا ورسره ولاړ یو د زړه نه Yes, this good person will.
this is very good person. I have a lot of my friends, they support Imran Khan, and I meet Imran Khan because of my people and how much they speak about him. You good person, Wally. Yeah, Wally, Dostanu, you want to play?
دا شری What is
My
this?
microphone.
Oh, microphone.
Too much money. Microphone.
Yes.
No, me joking. I got microphone because more, you know, like music, system, all. Look, whole system here. Come, Wally, let's play. I miss you.
Me or you play?
Yes, I miss you.
I miss you big.
Last time you were on the beach.
Yeah.
I know, play with you.
You see my body.
Yeah, I see your jasad.
Jason, my Jason, you see.
I see your jasad.
Me one day inshallah بغیر کپڑوں me see you at the Jason.
No, you not see.
Why?
Inshallah, alhamdulillah, ya Rab, because me Sharif Mundi.
Me be Sharif.
No, you not Sharif.
Sharif wallah.
To Turkey.
What Turkey?
Meaning you jasad, no problem, شو. Me jasad.
Wallah, your body so big, mashallah.
Shukriya, brother, shukriya. My
No,
friend,
friend.
Dostano, my
Love
friend,
you, bro.
my friend.
No.
Triple, pela grip. استغفر الله العظيم.
Love you, bro.
ده بتعب.
دا د چا لیول 2 شو و 10 لیول خو د پښتون شو 2 لیول لابي برو girls thank you why you score now why
You. My score very good. This is my first game. Me. Me first host you. Me today